What's happening, people? This is 7 of 100 YouTube, 100 days of YouTube. No need to see my face for this video. It's a very quick 2-minute video, just a handy tip actually. Real life scenario, you need to do a logo or you've got work to do for someone. The client comes up to you and goes, I really like how this looks, I want it to look similar, can you find a similar font? So I've placed 3 recognizable logos and I'm just going to show you how we can find a similar font to all of these. Get that marquee tool, select the text, type click match font, and then you just wait and it will show fonts available to activate from Adobe Fonts. And these are all the fonts you have here, which you can test out, which are as close and similar to the original font. We could try that again. Shake Shack. Client wants it for a restaurant perhaps. See what comes up. There you go. Bunch of different fonts you can all try out. Same thing with Selfridges. Do the whole thing in case it gives us a wider variety of options. There you go. So if you're ever in that scenario and you need to look for a font quickly on Photoshop, that's what you do. Please like, share, subscribe, and share this video for anyone that needs to know this. Thank you.